In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Big Cartel website. Adding videos can enhance your online store by engaging your visitors and providing a dynamic way to showcase your products. Whether you're highlighting a product feature, sharing a brand story, or offering a tutorial, integrating video can be a game changer for your site. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can do this with confidence. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage everything related to your store. Once you're logged into your Big Cartel account, you should see the dashboard on your screen. Now look towards the top or the side of your dashboard to find your profile icon. Click on that profile section as this is where you will start customizing your shop layout. Next, you'll want to scroll through the options until you find a section labeled Shop Design. This is the area where you can make visual changes to your store. Click on Go to Shop Designer. You'll be taken to a more detailed page where you can customize the look and feel of your store, which is a great tool for tailoring your site to reflect your brand's personality. Once you're in the Shop Designer, look for the option that says Code and click on it. This is an essential step because this section allows you to edit the underlying style and structure of your store's design. Here you can access CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS controls the styling aspects of your website. Now within this code section, you'll notice an option labeled CS. Clicking on this will open up styling possibilities for your store. This is where you'll carefully embed your video code. It's crucial to ensure that you have the correct embed code from your video hosting platform, whether that's YouTube, Vimeo, or any other service you're using. This code is what makes your video appear seamlessly in your Big Cartel store. It's also important to be aware that this feature might require a paid or upgraded version of Big Cartel. If you're on a free plan, you may want to consider upgrading to make full use of these advanced customization options. Once you've confirmed that your plan supports these features, go ahead and paste your video embed code into the CSS section. Make sure to save your changes before you exit so that everything is set and ready to go live on your store. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively add videos to your Big Cartel website, helping you engage with your audience in a more